Neil here from Clean. So I'm on site today, customer's house. The previous gutter cleaners that came through basically blew all the crap out of the gutters and landed it all on the render and the bricks and created a right mess. So I'm having to clean this up for them, for this customer. Basically I've already cleaned a lot of the mud off these bricks with cold water, but I can't get at some of these deeper stains. So I want to show you what we might be able to achieve with hot water, heated at pressure to 60 degrees Celsius. Let me show you what we can do.